Hi all, welcome to Tricky Automation Lab. Here we are on the next video of this playlist of tricky questions. So what exactly we are going to learn today? Like we are going to learn average, how to find average with the help of a stream API. Okay. So let us suppose quickly here this is the main method we have declared already. This is a class average. So what exactly we are going to do today? Let's say in this there might be some scenario while working in projects. Okay, like we are having n number of integers in the list and we need to find the average of all those numbers. Okay, so let's come to one scenario. Let's say we are having one list. We will take it from java.util.list. This list will be of integer type. Okay, so we will give this list variable name as list. Now we will use arrays dot as list. Okay, so arrays is having one as list method which will return a list of integer, not integer. Like if we pass a string also, it will return the list of a string. So here we are going to return the list of integer. So we will be putting some integer values inside this list so that we will be finding the average of these numbers which are there in the list. So let's say let's continue with these five numbers only. We have five numbers, any five random numbers we can take, or these numbers can be n numbers also. Like there can be n numbers inside the list. Okay, so I am just taking an example of five numbers and proceeding with that to make you guys understand. Like the concept is this, like how we will be able to find average in a single line of code. Basically, Stream API we are using to, avoid multiple line of codes, writing the logic in the single line of code. Okay, so as we know, like we can perform stream functions on list. Okay, so list is having one stream method, so we will be calling that method list dot stream. So you can see here returns a sequential screen stream with this collection as its sources. This method should be overridden by splitriter. Okay, so we can use a stream on the list. So list dot stream. Now what exactly we will do? We can use here. We have one method of a stream which is mapped to int. Okay. So what exactly we are going to do here? If you see the docs of this one, so returns an int stream consisting of the results of applying the given function to the element of this stream. This is an intermediate operation, so it will basically return a new streams. You can see here the new stream, it will return new stream. So new stream will be of type what? Will be of type int. Okay, so we are going to use here map to int. So we have to pass, you can see here we have to pass lambda expression. So let's pass this e. Okay, then directly we can pass average. So what this average will do, it will calculate the average of all the numbers. So now, like we know that like average is always in point. It that might be possible. Like the result should become in points. So we will store this in get as double. Okay, so it will return the results in the form of double. That is point value. Okay, we will quickly store this in some reference variable. Let's say we are going to give the name of reference variable as result. Okay, so you can see like here the data type is double automatically. Okay, not automatically, we are using this get as double. Okay, so what exactly it will do, it will convert that average, or our answer should come in double format. Okay, means in point formats. So let's quickly print it out and see the results. So if we run this program, we can see here like we are getting 53.6. So basically it's a double value because it is coming in points 53.6. Now let's say if we want to cross check it like the answers we are getting is correct or not, so we can do it manually with the help of calculator. So let's open one calculator first. So as we know very basic thing like to find the average, what exactly we will do? We will add all the numbers in the list divided by the total numbers. Okay, so here we have five numbers in the list and the total numbers if we add it then the sum will become, so let's quickly add this 56 plus 48. So it is some around 268. If we divide it by 5 then we will get the average. So here you can see we are getting 53.6, which is the average of all the numbers, all the five numbers in the list. Okay, so this is the syntax through which we can get the average using the stream API. So we will be using this approach in our projects to avoid long line of code. Okay, thank you.